43-piece LED set. So this is an LED set, so one tile glows. So we can glow different colors. And instead of just regular tiles, it has letters and numbers on it. So now, let's check out what's inside. Whoa!
This is what the building tiles look like.
Yeah, they're crystal clear and they have letters and numbers on them. One tile in particular, right here, let's try to get it, looks like this. It has a yellow circle in the middle that you can also remove.
You can press this button, but if you put it in here and hold this button, it will shine like this.
It will light up.
It will light up like this. Like this.
So that's pretty cool. Let's put this back inside here. Snap it in place and let's start building. There are 43 tiles with crystal clear letters and numbers. And sometimes even signs like the multiplication sign, the equal sign, the minus sign, multiplication sign.
Look at what I made. What the one?
Or not here. Put the ones who put a hole over here at the top. I have an idea.
How can we change it?
So here are our creations. I just made a simple cube, but I had an idea. Yeah, I put the little minus sign up here so it can be like a piggy bank. So guys, right now I'm making some alphabet cubes. You know how those little wooden alphabet cubes that they have? So I'm making those with the letters. See, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So I'm making the rest of the alphabet cubes. Oops, I'll do that one again. So right now, while I'm making the alphabet cubes, Jesse's making some number cubes.
And I also made a box right here.
That is the cube. The box is the cube. So right here, this is the net of the cube. Yeah, Jesse needs to put all the numbers in order.
0, 1.
This is a great way for kids to learn letters and numbers.
3.
So they can make cool structures by using the letters and numbers. And another cool thing is that it's LED light. So it's pretty cool. Oh, there it is. S, T, U, V. This is the first creation that we made. This is alphabet and number blocks. Okay guys, so I made an alphabet building here in order from A to Z. So I put the LED tile in the middle right here to give light to our building. And it's pretty cool. The letters of the alphabet go all around the building. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all those other alphabets.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then, so here's my building. All the letters of the alphabet are in order from A to Z.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And 10.
And 10.
If you put 1 and 0 together, you get 10. And to make 10 at the end, just put 1 and 0 together like this. 1, 0. And that makes
10.
10. So let's count from 1 to 10 instead of 9. So this is how we do it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's put that in the end because that is the biggest number. Right here, 10. Let's learn the alphabet. Go, Jessie.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Oh my.
Now I know my ABCs. That's why I would be singing. And next
is the numbers. What sign is this? Do you know?
plus.
No, this is the equal sign, the divide sign, the
Plus.
plus sign,
I meant
the
this
minus
plus.
sign, and the multiply sign. Now let's see the numbers. Ready? Go.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So Jessie, what is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 equals
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Good job, Jessie. So guys, try to solve it with Jessie. What is 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 equals
2.
very good. So guys, did you figure it out? 7 minus 5 equals 2. So thank you again to Picasso Tiles and SoundBot. You guys can check out our other previous videos of SoundBot or Picasso Tiles, like the SoundBot speaker and the SoundBot bunny head wrap. You guys can check those out. And you can also check out our other featured videos, which we'll leave in the description down below. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like our video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, Jam&Jesse, and ring the bell button so you won't miss any videos from us. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.